I was thinking, well, I don't know if I want to continue to do that or not, but then it hit me, well, I only got to make one more cut and have 4 pieces. I can look at it and think about it and kind of make up my mind based on that. So, yeah. So there it is. I'm looking at it and thinking about it. I'm going to go ahead and cut one more, and then I'll look at it and think about it some more. That's a hard cut. It's a lot of cutting, and it's thick metal. My hands are asleep, and there's grinder dust all over my garage here. But, you know, I don't know. I don't have anything to put on for a top. I could get some wood and put on it, but I don't want wood because I want to be able to weld on it. So I could go back and look around at the scrap yard. This table is a mess, but it's all made out of really heavy metal, and some of it is bent and warped. This would have been nice if it wasn't bent, but it is. But what I'm going to do is put my vise on that. I wanted something heavy enough so I can hang a piece of metal in that and pound on it and bend it and do stuff like that. So even though it's ugly, it should do the job. Well, you big dummy, they will. So I guess Bobby knew something I didn't know. But anyway, I'll still find a way to make it work. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Alrighty then.